Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you the radiator fans, fuses and relays. This video will apply to F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. All of the fuses and relays will be located in a main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. So I want to press this tab to remove the cover, lift it up and gently maneuver it out. It's like a tight space here, so be careful not to damage anything. Okay, just like that. Okay, and the two fuses to check: fuse number 75, this 50 amp fuse right here; fuse number 76, this 50 amp right here; and two relays to check: relay 6 and relay 4. So these are the two relays and the fuses just next to them. Best way to test the relays is using the multimeter. So these are the first things to check here if your fans are not engaging and your engine is overheating. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.